We had a lab, and the lab was to cover these shapes where there are reflection on both sides. So we have username equals 5. This is the shape. Username equals 7 and 9. And then we have 5 different parts. The part 1, which are on yellow, part 2, which are on green, part 3, orange, part 4, light blue, and then part 5 is on gray. So we have uh, which I believe the most important, which would be the discovery. For part 1, we have the stars to draw. It's like 5 to 9, 7 to 13, and 9 to 17, which I came up to username plus username minus 1. And then part 2, which was rows to draw, it's 5 of 3, 7 of 5, and 9 of 7, which is username minus 2. And majority of the ones are usually like space inside, username minus 2. The ones down here, spaces to draw on part 4 and rows to draw is username minus 2. And then spaces to draw inside side of shape, which is right here, is username minus 3. And then the last one for part 5 is username times 2 minus 3, which would be down here, which is my spaces in the middle. All right, so this is my code. We made a class called ReflectedShape. We used a bunch of variables, getters, setters, constructors, and then our calculations. This is the code. Let me go scroll up real quick. We'll start off by making a value of 1 using namespace. um, you know, using our default constructor and overloaded constructor, setting our getting our user and setting our user, making the two calculations, which was making the stars and spaces, and then displaying our shape, which we call reflection parts 1, part 2, and we use a for loop because of rows to draw, parts 3, another for loop for part 4, and then part 5. And then on our source, CPP is right here. We make a reflection, my reflection shape. We give it username, and then same here, we set it to username, and then we just display it. So my code, I give it a little bit more of leeway. I made it from 3 to 11, but for the lab you said 5 to 9, so we'll do those for now. That's 5, 7, 9, and then just so you can see, 11.